Quick question, Rebel. If one small choice a day rebuilt your confidence and freedom, would you make it? Hey, I'm Digital Rebel Grannie, your coffee loving, sass slinging guide through the 7 days to Rebel Confidence Challenge. But before we jump in, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with a friend who's ready to get unstuck. Welcome to day one, Sip the Grit. Grab your coffee or a cheeky glass of wine because today's about one thing, choosing grit over autopilot. Most people wake up, go through the motions, trade hours for dollars, and call it normal. Not us. Rebels know freedom doesn't just fall into your lap. It's built, one intentional choice at a time. Why grit matters. Autopilot feels safe, but it keeps you stuck. It's like driving the same road every day and wondering why the view never changes. Grit breaks that loop. Grit says, I'm building something new, even if it's uncomfortable. And that today's challenge is all about. Starting small, staying consistent, and showing yourself what you're capable of. Today, I want you to choose one small deliberate action that moves your future forward. Here are a few easy wins to get you started. Write your one sentence offer. It could be like, I help someone to solve a particular problem with what format? Or block 20 minutes to learn something new. And last, record a 30-second tip or a thought for your future audience. Even if no one sees it, don't wait for perfect. Momentum beats motivation every time. I'll be honest. When I started, I overplanned everything. I was waiting for the perfect idea, that perfect lighting moment, that perfect timing. You know what I got? Nothing done. Then one day I poured my coffee, hit the record, and that was the post that got me going. Because people don't need your polish, they need your progress. Say this out loud with me. One choice a day beats 100 someday plans. It's not about how fast you go. It's about showing up, especially when it's inconvenient. Confidence doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from proof that you've done something, even small, and survived it. If you ever want a mapped out system that walks you through each of these Rebel steps with the templates and the automation, that's exactly what we dive into in my Legacy Builder program. But you don't need that to start. You can do this right here with me, free, inside the Rebel Den. So here's your homework, Rebel. Pick one small action today, then comment below and tell me what it is. If you want today's printable worksheet, your Sip the Grit daily tracker, just comment free below and I'll get it to you. Tomorrow, we'll map your next steps with day 2, your Rebel roadmap.